Imagine a world where migratory birds are nature's drones, equipped with tiny GPS trackers. Scientists have developed a groundbreaking technology that uses these trackers to map seed dispersal patterns across continents. This innovation reveals how birds contribute to reforestation and biodiversity by spreading seeds over vast distances. The data collected helps in understanding climate change impacts and aids in conservation efforts. This tech marvel not only highlights the bird's crucial ecological role, but also opens new avenues for environmental restoration. It's a testament to how technology and nature can work hand in hand for a sustainable future.